if your chart looks like this right now and you don't have a solid strategy with all of this on the chart, or you don't understand it, please do me a favor and just remove it. If you're new to the market, this is honestly just gonna extremely confuse you, and you're not gonna have any fun trading because there is way too much going on. There's way too much stuff that's gonna coincide with each other that are gonna go against each other. It's just too confusing in the market. And ICT is honestly a very nice and easy, simple strategy that I'm gonna show you in the market without anything, no indicators, nothing. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but I find this looks much cleaner and much better. Not one indicator, not one MACD, RSI, stochastics, moving averages, none of that. It's just nice and simple, nice and easy to read. I can just look at the candles and make them talk to me so I can see my entries. Like, for example, this is a very beautiful entry. We have our buy side that gets taken right up here. Not only that, we have a fair value gap right now, but it's going to turn into a inversion fair value gap. The second that this comes into an inversion fair value gap, we also have with ES a SMT right at the highs. So not only that we have a SMT, we have a buy side getting taken, so we have a reason to continue down now from the uptrend. Now what we want to do is take our sell entry, stop loss right above the highs because SMTs are protected highs. If we were to come up now and take out this SMT and pretty much discard it, like break it out, then we would know that we are actually just continuing our uptrend and we're just doing our little up and down movement in the market. So that's why stop loss always goes above the SMT, because if it gets broken, then it's just not going to work. Now, what we want to do is take profit right at the previous lows. So we have multiple take profits actually. We can take one right here. We can take another one right here because we do have equal bottoms. And we can also take down here. So let's see how this goes. We're going to go, we're going to go, we're going to go. We're going to take it out. We just took out our trade, yes. And now we continue. See, that's our second. And let's see, take out our third. So this is honestly such an A1 easy strategy. And since I'm replaying this, I can take profits. But what I would have done is I would have took partials here, and partials here. And finally, this would have been my final. I would have took full portions. So this is honestly like such an easy strategy. You don't need any indicator. You don't need anything proving otherwise. This is all what you need. 3 simple steps. I don't know how else to convince you that this is honestly just like an amazing strategy. So please do me a solid. Remove those damn indicators. They are not doing anything but confusing you. This is what you have to learn. And if you want a more in-depth video, I do have one on my channel. I'll link it in the description. So I hope you have an amazing day, and leave a like, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments, and ciao.